see that? That was my worst side of my face, and I used a beauty blender. Like, okay, girl. Hi, you guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. My name is CaPriel Annissa, and we are going to be doing a review on the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation today. And I'm going to be testing it out on my skin to see how long this holds up on my skin, if I get any, oil production in my face. Does it claims to be as great as it says it does? It says, meet NARS first longwear foundation that looks stronger, stays longer with skin recognition pigments for the truest color match in 16 hours of wear. I don't know about wearing 16 hours, but I'm definitely going to try to make it as long as possible on my face. I don't typically wear a foundation for 16 hours, but I mean, if you do, kudos to you. But we're going to be definitely trying this out. The shade that I am in is in Aruba, and I'm going to simply be testing this out on my face. One side I'm going to be doing with a brush, and one side I'm going to be doing with a beauty sponge. But first, let's just take a look at this packaging right here, you guys. Super nice, super sleek, super basic. Sometimes you just have to be basic, and that's all you need. So opening the box, this is what it comes in. A little extra box. Just being a little extra but basic, okay. And this is the shade here. Oh my god, I'm just like looking out my window and I'm seeing this huge cat. Oh my god, that thing is huge, and it's like on the edge, and I'm so scared that if it jumps off, oh god, bless his heart, but it just jumped right down, so it's good. So sorry to get off topic, but wow, this is very nice and sleek, basic product. I'm sorry. That's how it looks. It comes with a pump. Very classy. Yeah. So I'm liking the fact already that it is a pump foundation. I love pump foundations. So first I am going to be priming my face. Once I find my primer, I've already moisturized my skin, so I'm going to prime my face. I can't find my primer, but I'll be right back. Alright, so now I'm just priming my face. Putting all places that I typically get oily. And I'll put the primer information all down below in the description. So we got all that into our skin. Make sure it's real good. I just love the way primers feel on my face. Like, it just smooths everything out. Like, it should be like a primer moisturizer just to wear alone. Okay, so now I am going to take one pump on the back of my hand. I'm ready when you are. There we go. So that's one full pump. So yellow, looks perfect. So I am going to be doing my beauty blender on my least favorite side of my face. I mean, my favorite side of my face, because that's simply easy to work with, because I have a lot of hyperpigmentation on this side. And I feel that it's best to just use a brush for this particular situation. So we're definitely, you know what, I'm going to make it a challenge. I'm going to do it the other way around. I'm going to use a beauty blender on the most challenging side, because that tends to use least product, and let's see how much it builds up. So I'm just going to simply put that on there, and like instantly it's fading away, and I'm so happy about that. But I definitely need more pumps, so I am going to go for 2 pumps and see what that do for this side of my face with the beauty sponge. And maybe I should just apply it with my fingers first. Instantly, it gives amazing coverage. had really bad hyperpigmentation on this side. Where did it go? Where? As you pump the foundation, it's not giving you like a big full amount. It's giving you like teensy-weensy bits of pieces of It's giving you teensy-weensy amount of product, so you're not overly using the product or using too much product. So I think that's a bonus when it comes to pump foundations. So okay, so if you're still with me, look at that. Look at that. Can y'all see that? That was my worst side of my face, and I used a beauty blender. Like, okay girlfriend, you got you a new foundation, a permanent staple foundation. I don't need that much coverage. Now I could use just a smidge, but not so much, like an extra layer. I just need just a little bit on that area, just a teensy-weensy bit, not even. And this might do it, I'm not even sure. So it's perfect match. Perfect match. So what do you guys think so far? I'm liking it, and I'm not just saying that just because. I purchased this also with my own money. Like, this is nice. It's really nice to not even have to worry about an extra layer of makeup. So I'm now going to be using a brush to do the other side of my face, and I'm just gonna tap it into my face first.
Good.
Why am I using this screen? I need to be using a mirror. I believe this product will take you very far. You're definitely gonna get your money's worth. And I guess that's one reason why it's a high-end foundation. Perfect shade. It's so funny how I try to truly match myself up with other people on YouTube sometimes. Like, it's my Ray for an example. She and I are light-skinned girls, and we have similar, you know, shades of skin tones. Well, she's a different shade than I am apparently in this particular foundation, and I think it's definitely something for everybody, a different shade for everybody when it comes to foundations with this particular line. So, and yeah, you guys, look at that. Let it focus. And I'm just looking, and this looks flawless. Like, it has skin-like finishes. Like, my skin does not feel cakey, it doesn't feel heavy, it feels very lightweight, but at the same time it feels great. It glided on smoothly. I didn't have to apply that much to it. It's truly amazing. This is what it looks like up close. And maybe I can zoom you guys in a little better so you can see the finished texture. So I want you guys to see the finished texture. I didn't even do a second coat. Look at that. Still sees a little bit of imperfections through this particular foundation, but it's not bad. It looks great. It looks like skin. So I'm very, very impressed with the quality of this particular foundation. You know, I'm not disappointed in the product. I'm not disappointed in how it finishes. So if you guys want to find out exactly how the rest of my face applies with this foundation, I'm going to do all my concealer and do all the other stuff to my face that I'm going to do, and then I'm going to come back throughout the day without my I'm going to come back throughout the day and check in with you guys to see what you guys think and how I think this product works for me on my skin. Am I going to get all glowy and greasy throughout the day or what? But yeah, I'll be back. Alright you guys, so now I'm back with my makeup full on, and if you know anything about me, I was on Snapchat, you know, and playing around and listening to music and just jamming away. And so I've had this makeup on for at least, I would say, an hour already. So this is my full face. So right now it is 3:10. I don't know if you guys can see that. And so yeah, I'm just going to wear the foundation, see how it holds up throughout the day. I love the finish of it. I don't feel oily. I don't feel like I have anything on really. So that's a good thing. So yeah, I love the way it applied. I love the finish of it. I'm just hoping that I don't turn into a grease ball, because that would sort of kind of ruin it for me. But other than that, I think this is a really decent foundation so far. I think it oxidized, but it oxidized perfectly down to my skin tone just to be perfect. So Aruba was the perfect match for me. So if we have the same like skin tone family of yellows, then this would be a good video to like have some sort of thought process as to what color you're gonna get. I believe It's My Ray Ray had Syracuse. I'm not in that shade. I'm a shade above that one, and this is the medium 6. So if you're wondering what shade to get. But I will be keeping you guys posted throughout the day to let you guys know exactly how everything turns out. And I will talk to you guys later, okay? Alright you guys, I am back after what, a couple of hours of wearing this foundation. These are my final thoughts. As you can see how this foundation looks. As I wore it, I felt a little luminous throughout the day, but it's not too bad. I did not blot or powder myself up during this whole time since I've worn the foundation. So as you guys can see here, where my hyperpigmentation is peeking through, I guess it may have slipped, but that also could be the fact that I've had my hand on my face while watching TV. Basically, the fading spots that I have on my face were typically my nose area, my chin, but sometimes I like to put my hands on my face, so that could be the reason why some of the makeup has faded, but the nose shouldn't really have a reason to, because I haven't touched any part of my face. Just like here and like here and here. But this side isn't bad. This side isn't bad, but this side is the worst. I would not recommend this particular foundation for anyone who's super duper oily. This is more so for someone who has combination to dry skin. So yeah, other than that, it's a pretty decent product. I've seen worse. And let me see if I can zoom you guys in. You guys can see right here, I have a lot of cakiness going on, like sticking to my nose. And you guys can see how well that looks on camera. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that really quick and how my chin area looks. That's what it looks like zoomed out, zoomed in. You guys can see really good how it looks right here. So it does look faded for sure. So I will do this with 2 coats next time, and then I'll give my final decision down below in the description box if you guys want to read more into this review. Now I am going to blot my face and see how this foundation looks after blotting. Seems to just go back to like normal, but I see a little bit of cakiness going on right in my nose area. Also, I feel like the foundation kind of sort of slipped off a bit. I feel like maybe I probably shouldn't have incorporated a second coat of foundation in order to make things seem a little bit more flawless. But yeah, I'm a little upset that this is peeking through. I feel that it's just an okay foundation. Maybe if I do a second layer, like I said, it may have been a better payoff. This is what came off on the tissue. This just seems to never fail. Before it was flawless, and now it's this. So it does fade after a little bit, especially if you are an oily person. I would not probably recommend this for an oily person or skin tone, just because I feel like the product will slip off. The time frame now is 9:58 now. So yeah, the foundation pretty much, I would say overall, out of 1 out of 10, I would give it a 7. 7 to 8, 7.5. So not one of the best. I've seen better, but it's pretty decent. But maybe I'll try it again when once I do a second coat on my face, just to help out for pigmentation, you know, foundation loss on my face. But I hope this review was very helpful for you guys. I'm getting very sleepy, so that's why I'm cutting it off right here now. So if you guys are interested in this foundation, or if you guys have any questions, feel free to put that all in the description below, and I will be sure to get back with you guys with anything that you guys may have to ask. Hit the subscribe button and the like button down below. Also hit the bell notification if you guys are interested on the next time that I post any videos for you guys, so that you don't miss out. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.